Hey y'all, Miss Star back here on Miss Star TV, but this time I'm going to use this Addams Family makeup kit I got from Spirit Halloween to transform me into Wednesday Addams. So if you'd like to see how I achieve it, then please keep watching. Okay, first I'm going to take this L.A. Colors brow pencil in black, use the spoolie end to brush my brow hairs all the way up, then use the pencil side to fill them in, and then use the spoolie to shape them, like this. Okay, with my light colored concealer from L.A. Colors, I'm going to use my concealer brush to put it all around my eyebrows, blending it out, then put it on my eyelids as a base for my eyeshadows, like this. Okay, now from the Addams Family makeup kit, I'm going to use this white eyeshadow and a fluffy brush to put it all over underneath my brows and all over my eyes. Okay, using the eyeshadow applicator that came with the makeup kit, I'm going to use the black and put it on both eyelids. Then I'm going to use the same fluffy brush I used with the white earlier and blend out the crease area like this. Now I'm going to use this L.A. Colors black eyeliner to outline both bottom lash lines. Then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's smudge brush and some of the black and smudge it on the lower lash line, like this. Okay, now using the liquid eyeliner from the Addams Family makeup kit, I'm going to put small winged cat eyes on both eyes. Then I'm going to curl both lashes and then apply L.A. Colors Lash Building And now I'm going to apply the lashes and lash glue that came with the kit. Okay, now I'm going to take my light foundation and mix it with some white cream face paint and apply it all over my face with a damp. Okay. Now I'm going to use the face powder from the kit and the powder puff to apply it. Then I'm going to use the black from the eyeshadow palette and my contour brush to do my contouring. And then I'm going to use the white and a smaller fluffy brush for the highlighting, like this. Now I'm going to apply the black Addams Family lipstick, and then I'm going to apply my wig like this. Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to follow us on Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram for behind the scenes and so much more. You can also support us even more and become a big part of our Star TV family on Patreon. Again, thank you guys so much. Bye.